So let's start with today's recipe. Now here I've taken 3 eggs. I've just beat the eggs really well. And now I'm going to add this to a large mixing bowl. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to the eggs. Whisk the eggs and the sugar really well for at least a whole minute. Next, we're going to go and add in 1/4 cup of butter, which is at room temperature. And now I'm going to whisk this mixture for a whole 5 minutes. So you could go with a regular whisk like this, or you could also use an electric whisk. And we're going to whisk this till this mixture turns into a light or a pale white color, like this. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again, whisk the mixture well. Get everything together. And now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm also going to be adding 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Whisk everything in well together till all of the cocoa powder mixes in really well with the rest of the ingredients. So take your time for about half a minute. Now here I have 1.5 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of mixed fruit peel. I'm going to mix the fruit peel into the flour really well. Now the reason behind this is that if you mix the fruit peel with the flour, then it evenly gets distributed in the batter and doesn't settle to the bottom. So if you add the fruit peel directly, it might just all sink to the bottom. But if you add it to the flour, then it gets evenly mixed in with the rest of the batter, and we know your cake will have this little fruit peel, or as some of them call it tutti frutti, evenly spread out in the cake. So don't skip this step. And now add half of this flour mixture to the rest of the ingredients in the bowl and just fold the mixture in well, and then add the other half of the flour and again fold the mixture in really well till everything is really mixed in nicely. Now you will find that the mixture is a little bit dense and dryish. So we want to have a nice, soft and light cake. So I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of milk. This will make the cake nice and moist. And really, the cake is really, really delicious. So now mix everything really well. Till you get a nice, smooth kind of a batter, like this. And now I'm just going to add 1/4 cup of chopped almonds and cashew nuts. You can add whatever, dry fruits or nuts that you like. I'm keeping it plain and simple with just some cashew nuts and almonds. Now preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. Here I've lined a 7 by 7 inch cake tin with some butter paper, and I'm just going to add this batter to our prepared cake tin. Now just pat the or tap the tin, so that everything gets really evenly spread out in the cake tin. And now I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts and almonds on top. This will have a lovely toasted kind of an effect. And it really, adds a little bit of crunch to that cake. And then I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of mixed fruit peel as well. And now all you have to do is just bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Now our cake is ready. Let it come to room temperature. We'll just check it. So I'm just inserting a sharp knife, and you can see the knife has come out nice and clean. So our cake is all ready. So we're just going to wait for it to cool to room temperature, and then I'm just going to demold it, take off all the butter paper. And here it is, friends, our lovely cake is all ready. This is really a very delicious cake. So do give it a try and do let me know how you like it. I'll catch you soon. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.